just as we were leaving, assuming they're not there, they were there because, well, you can see it up on the, I'm not staring at him now, but is he still, he is still there, is he?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he goes when I look. They've ventured out a little bit towards us. There's a green mossy log which we saw him on. Is he on there now? Can you see it? I'm just focusing in on it. Are you there? No. No? Oh, sorry, I looked at him. So they're following us a little bit. I'm hoping that they're not going to go far away from their camp and they'll just leave. So they seem to have stopped seeing one of them just up there, so it's a bit annoying. They're not leaving us alone, so the idea, obviously, Tom's plan wasn't quite as good as it, well, it didn't sound like the swamp. They've all got their hoods down, which is slightly annoying, so as I've just drawn it up in the print. Gesturing back again. There's also another one just down there. You can see. So they must have put that flying saucer there deliberately on it. Where's he off to?